Welcome to Mechanical Tutorial. I am going to teach you different techniques in SolidWorks for mechanical engineers. I am going to train you different modules like surface modeling, sheet metal and enclosure design, product design, plastic components design, reverse engineering and many more tips and tricks in SolidWorks. Today I am going to explain about automotive door bracket. Left side you can see the folded state and right side it's a flat pattern. So this is the component I am going to create. This feature I am going to create with the forming tool. So this is the forming tool. So let's start now. I am in the new SolidWorks file. So I am going to create this forming tool. Select the top plane, go to sketch, select center point rectangle. So rectangle is 57 by 5. Go to extruded boss. So it's around 2 mm. Say OK. Now I am going to create the face fillet. And I am going to create the other side also. Now select this face, create a fillet. It's around 1 mm. Say OK. So the tool is ready. We have to create the forming feature. So this is the stopping face and rest of the faces are forming face. There is no cutout. So we are leaving faces to remove as a blank. Say OK. So this forming tool part file is ready. So we can save this file in the forming folder. Now I am going to create this component. So select the top plane, go to sketch, so rectangle is 70 by 20, go to sheet metal, select base flange. See here I have taken 2 mm thickness and K factor is 0.45. Now I am going to create edge flange. So it is 20. Now we can constrain the sketch. Now I am going to create one more edge flange. See, in both the condition, the material inside we have to select. So this is 25. So it is 25. Now I am going to create tabs. Select corner rectangle. See, here it is better to mirror. So select all these sketch, go to mirror entities, select the center line, go to sheet metal and select the tab feature. Say OK. Tab has been created. Now, so I am going to place this forming tool. See, we have to see the direction. It is in the top side. So you can see it is moving downwards. So we have to flip this and position. Horizontal is 35. And this edge, from the edge to center point is 10 mm. Say OK. See, this forming tool is created. After creating forming tool, we have to verify that whether it is taking flat pattern or not. Yes, it is taking. Now I am going to create this whole feature. Select this face. Select the center point and this is 10 mm. See, here I need to take a whole feature, but at this moment I am taking cutout. we can take anything and we have to link to thickness. Now I am going to create these 3 holes. So before that we need to create a sketch. Make it vertical, and these 3 sides are equal. $15. Create 3 circles. Make it equal. This is 4 mm. So come out of the sketch. So this is a reference sketch. So we have to go to show hide options and unhide all the entities. Now we can see the sketch. Now go to sheet metal, select simple hole, select this face. Say OK. Now delete this circle. We need 3 holes. So convert these 3 circles into entities. Convert entities. Say OK. Now 3 holes has been created. So I am going to hide all types. Now I am going to add these fillets. So go to sheet metal, break corner. Here we need to select the fillet option. So I'm going to select the 2 edges and it is around 8 mm. Now once again I'm selecting the break corner, fillet. See, this value is 5 mm. Say OK. Now I am going to remove the sharp corners. So once again I am selecting the break corner. Here I am taking as a 2 mm. So around sheet thickness. So initially I have selected the face, automatically it has taken the sharp edges. So we can select the edge or face. So this is the final component. So this is how we create these kind of brackets for automotive sheet metal stamping components. Thank you very much.